Where am I? Ooh, I'm an astronaut. So cool. Wonder if there's any aliens here. Hmm?
What a great day! Who's that? We have a stranger here. Warning, warning! Ready for attack!
Wait, I'm a good person. I won't hurt you guys. Let's be friends or something. Wait. Yee! Oh, feels just great. I just had a very weird dream. Oh, hi guys. Here's the week here. What did I do today? Oh yeah, I remember. I promised you guys to add some aliens in our bouncing ball game. So let's get started. Now let's start from our last game. First, we'll have to make some changes of the ball. We are going to make the ball to stick on the paddle when we start the game, and we also want it to follow our paddle. And when we're ready, we can click, and then the ball can come up and bounce around. Then we'll have to add some enemies. Because it's space, I'll make the enemies aliens. So when the ball bounces up, we want the ball to touch the alien and let the alien disappear. And then we'll want the game to end. Last time the game ended because every time the ball touches the paddle, the score will change by 1. And when the score is a certain number, the game will end. And today, we want to end the game when we destroy all of the aliens. Okay, so first, let's change the ball. Let's go to ball. In ball, we can see when green flag clicked, we wanted it to go to 0, 0, which is the middle. We want it to stick onto the paddle, not go to middle. So by doing that, first we'll have to go to sensing, and then we'll have to take out mouse X. Mouse X will make our ball to follow our mouse's X position, and also follow our paddle, because in paddle we did the same thing. Now we have to put this mouse X into the go to X. So the X will be the mouse X, and the Y will be on top of the paddle over here, which is about negative 138. So let's change Y to negative 138. Now let's see what happens. We could see that the ball didn't stay for long on our paddle. So if we want to stay on there for long, we'll have to repeat it. We have to go to control, then take out, slide down and take out repeat until. We want to repeat this until the mouse is down, so we can shoot the ball up and start this script. Now first let's separate it. Go to XY inside the repeat until, and then attach it back together. Now we'll have to go to sensing, take out mouse down, so we'll have to repeat until the mouse is down, which is when we click the mouse. Now let's see what happens. Yeah, now we can see that the ball is following our paddle. Now let's see if we click mouse down. We can see that it's we can see that the ball just was on the paddle, but it was glitching and shaking. That was because he wasn't pointing upwards, he was pointing downwards, so he can't really go down because the paddle is you can't go through the paddle. So by doing that at the start, we'll have to make this ball to always point upwards, so it won't go downwards and glitch. So by doing that, we have to go to motion, and then we'll have to take out point in direction, and then we'll have to go to operators and take out pick random between 1 to 10. We won't change it to 1 to 10, but first let's look at the direction. We can see now his position is a negative 150, which is pointing downwards. Let's try an upward position. It's like a maybe negative 60 and 60. Yeah, maybe negative 60 to 60. So let's change the first one to negative 60 and change the second one to 60. Now let's put it under the go to XY. Now let's see what happens. Now let's try to click it. Yeah, you can see that now the ball doesn't glitch, and it will also bounce around. Stop it. Now we'll have to change over here in the F touching paddle. If we touch the paddle, we also want it to point upwards, so it won't go downwards when we touch the paddle again. Because in the paddle, we could see that it turned 180 degrees. So let's take out the change score by 1 and turn 180 degrees, and I'll leave the sound in there. Now we have to do the same thing by right-clicking the point in direction up here, and we can see this one called duplicate. Now let's duplicate it and put it inside the F touching paddle. Now we've got the same script and the same block in our touching paddle. Now let's see what happens. Click. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now we'll have to attach the aliens. We'll have to attach the aliens by clicking to the sprite. I'll go to fantasy. I'll choose Giga because you can see that Giga has an angry face. We'll use the angry face because it's gonna be angry like a real enemy. First let's change the size of Giga because it's a bit too big. I'll change it to like a maybe 50. Yeah, that's kind of good. Now let's go to Giga's costume, and let's delete all of his costume except the angry one. So when he comes up, he'll be angry like this. Quite funny. And now we'll have to go to events, take out when green flag clicked. When the green flag clicked, we want it to like duplicate herself and paste it and make like a row of him. We are going to go to control, and we'll take out this one called create clone of myself. This could create 2 of him and make more of him. This is what we wanted because we wanted to make it in a row. Let's put it under the when green flag clicked. Of course, 1 is not enough, so we'll have to repeat. Take out repeat and put it around the create clone myself. And then we'll have to change the number to I'll change to 5. And then we'll have to go to motion and take out move 10. Actually, before that, I got something very important that I forgot. We'll need a start position. So we have to take out go to XY. Let's see. I wanted to go to like a here. About here, maybe. Yeah, that's roughly negative 180, and Y is that's about 120. Now let's put it on top. We want it to hide, because it will make a row, but it also will show his own self. We only want it to show his clones, so we'll have to drag out hide and put it here, and then we'll have to go to control, slide down and take out when I start as a clone. And that's like his clone's script. So we want the clone to show. So it's drag out show. So the clone won't hide, only the real Giga will hide. Okay, now let's go to motion and take out move 10 steps. Change move 10 steps to 50. Try that out. That's only 5, that might be a bit too short. I'll change it to 8. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then let's stop it first. And then so when it starts as a clone, we want to call, like, if the alien touches the ball, then we want the alien to hide. So by doing that, we'll have to go to control, take out the forever loop, and put F inside the forever loop. Put it here, and then go to sensing, take out touching mouse pointer. Then we'll have to change mouse pointer to the ball. So if Giga touches the ball, we want the one of the clones to disappear. So if touching the ball, then we want it to hide. But we won't choose hide, because hide will hide our whole entire thing. If we don't want to hide our whole entire thing, we'll have to go to control, slide down and take out this one, delete this clone, so we delete that clone that the ball touched. Now let's see what happens. Go. Yeah. Stop. We can realize that the ball can destroy more than one alien at a time, and that will make the game easier, and it will end very fast. So we'll have to go to the balls code, go to control, take out an F. We want if it touches the alien, we want it also to bounce back. And go to sensing, take out touching, change touching to touching Giga, the alien. So if touching Giga, the ball will bounce back. So we can take this, turn 180 degrees and put it inside here. Now let's see what happens. Shoot. Yeah. Finally, now we can see that if the ball touches the alien, it will bounce back. Stop it. Yeah, and then we have we finish coding this alien. Before we get more aliens, we want to change the name of the score. We'll go to variables, and we can right-click score and click rename variable. We can rename it. I'll rename it as alien. Okay, and then let's change alien by 1 up here. Instead of changing by 1, we want to change it by -1. -1. Why -1? This variable aliens mean the total number of the alien. So every time we kill an alien, the alien variable will -1. And when the last one is being shot, the alien will be back to 0. And we could say that if the alien variable equals to 0, the game ends. Okay, so now let's see what happens. We could see now the alien is 0. We want it to set it to how much the alien is, because it's the total number of the aliens. Stop it. Because last time we set the variable in you win, so let's go to you win. And it says that set alien to 0. I'll set it to 8 because there was 8 gigas. See what happens. Now I can see that the alien variable is now 8. Now let's try and shoot. You can see that it's minusing 1. Stop. Now we'll have to get some more aliens. Go to choose a sprite, fantasy. We just chose Giga. Now let's choose another one. Oh, Pico's kind of nice. See, Pico has an angry face as well. Let's also change the size to 50 as well. And let's go to Pico's costume. And let's delete all of them except for the angry, same as Giga. Now let's choose another sprite. Go to fantasy. We had Pico. Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, I like this one. Change it to 50 as well. Yeah, 50. Let's delete all of them except this thing. Let's choose one more. Go to fantasy. We have Giga, Nano, Pico. Oh yeah, Terra. That's a good one. Terra, change it to 50. And let's change it to the angry one. Now all we have to do now is go to Giga and drag them into the other aliens. Put in, oops. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 8, 2. Okay. Now let's check if they have all of them. Yes, yes, yes. Now we have to change their positions. First, I'll change Pico's. I'll change his to 90, and let's change Nano's. Nano's is 60, and Terra is 30. Now let's see what happens. Yo, you can see that these aliens are in rows and they're all looking very angry. Now let's shoot them. Before that, I forgot something. Is that we have to go to ball. You can see that over here, only said touching Giga. We also want to attach the other aliens as well. So we have to go to operators, take out some balls, take out, let's see, 3, yeah. And then put touching Giga in one of them. And then go to sensing and take out another one. And then another one. We'll take out, let's see, how many was there? 4. Oops, 4. And then we can put this ore inside the first one, the other ore. Oh yeah. Now let's put another ore here. Put this one here and put the other one in here. Wow, that was a big block. This one's Giga. Change the second one to Pico, and then Nano, and then Terra. And then now let's put it inside the F. Yeah, that's a very big one. Now let's see what happens. Screen. Shoot. Ooh. Yeah. You can see that we can shoot the aliens. But there's another problem. We can see that the alien is -2. It's because that and you win. We made it to 8 because at the start we made Giga, so there was 8, and now we have 3 more. So 4 times 8 is 32. Quite a math there. 32. And then let's see what happens. This time should be better. now we can see that we just lost. But the alien is equal 0, so we'll have to code that when the alien number equals 0, then we want the game to end. So change that to 0. Now let's see what happens. Oh, this is just gonna be cool. Let's go. Whoa. What? Whoa. Whoa. Wow, that's made a ping pong game to a ping pong game that you can shoot enemies, aliens. You can make similar ones. So it might not be aliens, it could be other stuff, like hitting the stars, something like that. Oh, what? Oh, this is just gonna. Oh, this might take for a while. I think there was like 32 aliens. Wow, wow, whoa, whoa. Hey, where are you going, man? Almost there, 3 more left. Come on, come on, come on, come on! Oh, finally. Finally, come on, just. Oh, yes. Hit that last nano, please. Nano, you're so powerful. Like, how come? Yes. Finally! Ooh, so cool. What? Ooh, so cool.
What a great day! Who is that? Morning, morning! Ready for ice? Hey Bella, what you doing?